Imagine someone that has been in Canada for 5 years. She has not yet become a permanent resident. She's still trying to walk through express entries, Canadian experience class to get a permanent resident status. Now, Amy studies for several months, retakes her English language test. Now, look at this. Look at this. These are some of the salient informations people don't know. There's one of our clients, Mr. Jones, for instance, that maxed out his IELTS in one sitting. That was the first time he was ever writing it, and he had band 9. Do you understand? And how did this person do it? He told me that, okay, yes, we had training of 3 weeks, we had training of 5 weeks, because we have noticed it statistically that when people are taking training for 3 weeks, 5 weeks, they become bored. They say, JB is English now, let me go and write it. So we say, okay, 3 weeks, 5 weeks. But we still have the option of, okay, the 3 weeks and the 5 weeks, you can combine it to 2 months. You understand? To get grounded before you go and write the exam. And that was exactly what this man did. He combined the 3 weeks training, he combined the 5 weeks training, you understand? And he took a lot of Cambridge IELTS materials, he treated a lot of past questions, he did a lot of things. Do you understand? And now he had the CLB 9. With the CLB 9, he was able to amass about 450 points. Do you understand? Which would more or less help him to actually qualify in the next rounds of invitation. Now look at this. Even with this CLB 8 that Amy got, which was a person that is in Canada, that has experience in Canada, that got a work. If you look at it, they said she has what? Now let me analyze it for you, because you may not really understand it. She has a bachelor's degree from a Canadian university. At least a bachelor's degree, before you can get it in Canada, it will take 3 years. At least there are some bachelor's degree that can take 4. You understand? But at least 3 years. So that means she studied in Canada for 3 years. She also has work experience in Canada for 5 years. So if we do the addition, that is 8 years. Or in some situations, it may be that she was concurrently working while she was studying. So at least 5 to 6 years, 5 to 6 years, she has been in Canada without becoming a permanent resident. Now she's now striving to become permanent resident. But the first IELTS she did, the CLB8 she got was not enough because the competition was high.